Artificial intelligence, AI adoption in different sectors is getting quite prominent, and healthcare is certainly one of them. In fact, the scope of AI in healthcare is vast and continues to grow rapidly. The use of AI has the potential to help healthcare providers in helping manage patients' data and administrative work seamlessly. Most of the technologies related to AI in healthcare have powerful applications, but the strategies they support can be different depending on the healthcare provider and organization. Some experts believe that AI in healthcare can perform as well as humans. Some are still skeptical about a major shift in healthcare towards artificial intelligence and its development. Having said that, artificial intelligence has significantly grown over the years, as it has the potential to improve the quality of healthcare, reduce costs, and save lives. However, it is important to ensure that the use of AI in healthcare is ethical and transparent, and that the patient's privacy is protected. So let us look into the swift rise of artificial intelligence in healthcare, its scope, and more. AI is beginning to work miracles in the world of healthcare, and not just by decoding doctors' handwriting. Compared to our digital counterparts, human analysis is slow and subjective. People can only calculate at the speed of the human brain, and our conclusions are influenced by a slew of non-scientific biases. In a medical context, speed and accuracy, or lack thereof, have life or death consequences. Fortunately, humans have begun to build AI systems for speedy, objective analysis. Nowhere is this more consequential than in the world of healthcare. Healthcare AI tools use machine learning, ML, processing large data sets and using the results to inform decisions. Deep learning, DL, a form of ML using an artificial neural network to learn by ultra-high-speed trial and error. Natural language processing, NLP, understanding and interpreting human speech to inform treatment options. The combination is having profound effects on healthcare. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we'll look at how AI is shaping the future of the healthcare industry. We'll begin by sharing the 4 main ways AI is changing the face of healthcare. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Let's dive in. 1. Analyzing oceans of patient data. The same way companies have struggled to standardize data from many different sources, healthcare providers have struggled to unify the many different forms of patient data. Background documents, medical history, treatment reports, and even data from wearables like Apple Watches come in different forms and live in different places. Humans don't do well with that. But AI does just fine. Like companies have ETL tools to extract data from many sources and store it in a common data warehouses, AI can now do the same for many sources of patient data. More accurate insights equals more impactful care. AI patient analytics are fueling better predictive care, optimized cancer radiation treatment, kidney disease forecasting, and more. 2. Fast-tracking drug development. Medications work on a molecular level. External molecules, e.g. Xanax, interact with internal molecules, e.g. neurons, to prevent or cure an ailment. AI has the power to analyze millions upon millions of molecular interactions. It then uses its findings to predict which medications have the most potential for treating which diseases. Human researchers would have to perform much of this background work manually, at a much greater cost. This has already sped up the development of high-urgency medications, as in 2015 when scientists used it to develop a treatment for Ebola. 3. Providing faster, unbiased analysis. Health inequity is defined as unfair and avoidable inequalities that are not inevitable or natural, but the product of human behavior. A few key examples of health inequities include socioeconomic disadvantage reduces life expectancy. LGBTQ individuals have higher risk of mental illness due to bullying. Black babies have a higher mortality rate than white babies for no biological reason. Not all inequities are the result of HCP bias, but some are. The algorithms driving AI analysis can be programmed to exclude the cultural biases that humans cannot shake. This could mean more accurate information, more equitable treatment, and leveling the field of healthcare across races, ethnicities, and genders. 4. Assisting emergency medical services EMS care. AI can now listen in on emergency calls. It analyzes both what patients are saying and how they're saying it, instantaneously comparing the information to a reservoir of past data points. If a patient calling about chest pains displays vocal patterns too common to people suffering from cardiac arrest, it can dispatch emergency care before the condition worsens, which is good because cardiac arrest only takes 10 minutes to be fatal. That emergency care also takes the form of AI-equipped devices. Earlier this year, a drone carrying a defibrillator was dispatched to a Swedish man who collapsed from cardiac arrest while shoveling his driveway. The drone arrived before the ambulance, enabling a nearby doctor to save the man's life. The human brain evolved to handle environmental, social, and linguistic information, which it does very well. It doesn't do nearly as well with numerical information. Hindus invented the numerals 0 to 9 only about 1500 years ago. Our species has been evolving for more than 2.5 million years. Which is to say, we need a little help. The exponential advance of AI is impacting every realm of healthcare, from the most urgent emergency care to long-term predictive and therapeutic care. Artificial intelligence has the potential to help address many of the challenges faced by the healthcare industry. However, it is important to make sure that AI development and implementation are ethical and reasonable, with consideration given to issues like data privacy, algorithm bias, and the potential to impact healthcare professionals and patients. Additionally, it is also important to ensure that AI does not replace the element of human healthcare, and that healthcare professionals are trained to work collaboratively with AI tools to deliver the best possible care to their patients. 1. Diagnosis and treatment. AI can help improve the accuracy and speed of diagnosis by analyzing patient data such as medical history, test results, and imaging scans. This can help healthcare professionals identify healthcare conditions that may have been missed or misdiagnosed, leading to more effective and timely treatment. AI can also assist in treatment selection by analyzing patient data and determining the most appropriate treatment options based on factors such as disease stage, genetic makeup, and comorbidities. 2. Access to healthcare. Chatbots powered by AI can help expand access to healthcare services, particularly in rural or underdeveloped areas where there may be a shortage of healthcare professionals or medical facilities. These tools can enable patients to receive medical consultations, monitor chronic conditions, and access mental health services remotely, without the need for a physical medicine facility. 3. Chronic disease management. AI can assist in the management of chronic diseases by analyzing patient data, such as blood glucose levels, blood pressure readings, and medication adherence, to identify trends and patterns that may indicate a change in a patient's condition. This information can be used to provide personalized treatment plans and inventions, such as medication adjustments or lifestyle changes that can help patients better manage their condition and reduce the risk of complications. 4. Workforce shortages. AI can help alleviate workforce shortages by automating routine tasks such as scheduling appointments, processing medical records, and triaging patients. This can help healthcare professionals focus on more complex tasks such as diagnosis and treatments and reduce the burden of administrative work to a great extent. 5. Medical research. AI can help accelerate medical research by analyzing large sets of data from clinical trials and medical studies, identifying patterns and insights that may not be immediately apparent to human researchers. This can help researchers better understand disease mechanisms, develop new treatments, and improve patient outcomes. As AI continues to improve and become more sophisticated, it may be able to predict health outcomes more accurately and develop more personalized treatment plans for patients. However, there are also concerns about data privacy, security, and ethics that need to be addressed as AI becomes more widespread in healthcare. Overall, the rise in AI in healthcare presents exciting possibilities for improving the quality and accessibility of healthcare for patients.